How to open a Gold IRA account with $400,000 investment. Investing in gold through a Gold IRA is an effective way to protect your wealth from inflation and economic uncertainty. If you have $400,000 to invest, it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure a smooth and secure process. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the key steps for opening a Gold IRA with a $400,000 investment. 1. Set up a self-directed IRA, SD IRA. A self-directed IRA allows investments in gold and other alternative assets. To start, choose a reputable IRA custodian approved by the IRS. Complete required paperwork, including forms for account setup, beneficiary designation, and investment direction. Fund your account by contributing or rolling over funds from another retirement account. For a $400,000 investment, select a custodian with experience handling large Gold IRA accounts. 2. Roll over existing retirement funds. You can move funds from a 401k, 403b, or another IRA into a Gold IRA through a rollover or transfer. Direct transfer. Funds are transferred directly between accounts, without penalties or taxes. Rollover. Withdraw funds from an existing account and deposit them into the Gold IRA within 60 days to avoid penalties. Consulting a financial advisor ensures tax compliance and helps avoid costly mistakes. 3. Choose the right custodian. The custodian manages your Gold IRA and ensures everything is secure. Make sure the custodian is IRS approved and offers segregated gold storage. Check the custodian's fees, including maintenance, storage, and transaction costs. Read reviews and confirm they have a good reputation in the industry. With a $400,000 investment, opt for a custodian that works with well-known depositories. 4. Ensure IRS compliance. To stay in compliance with IRS rules, only invest in IRS-approved gold, such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs. Store the gold in an IRS-approved depository. Follow contribution and withdrawal rules, including required minimum distributions, RMDs, starting at age 73. By following these steps, you can successfully set up a Gold IRA to safeguard your investment against inflation and economic volatility. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.